In this video, I will show you how to fix Snapchat map not working. Firstly, when you open up your chat selection, or for example, as you can see the third site, which is for camera access, you need to go on the first selection, which is on location. Just go tap on it. And when you're here, you need also to make sure that you have got your allowing system to allow access to your map on Snapchat. After you get that selection, guys, and as you go here, if you go on the settings bar selection, which is right here, you can take off and simply suggest the place, change the outfit, or you can do whatever you want. Simply you can take over the right point, and as I said, the right point after you get it right here, it is to get off from there, and you need to go to your settings selections on your phone. Then you need to go on applications, and on the search box you need to type for Snapchat. After you get that selection, you need to go for storage. Then you can clear the cache for the full site section, which is so important to get and try to fix that problem by getting on your map. After you do that selection, what you can do also, you can clear the full data on that selection, but this is not necessary because it could bring you to the main system.